Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the next basic operation associated with matrices, which is the subtraction of matrices. Now, like addition of matrices, the subtraction of matrices also requires one basic condition. Okay, if we want to subtract two matrices, they need to satisfy one condition, which is that they should be of the same order. The order of the two matrices should be equal. Okay, let's say we want to subtract two matrices A and B. This is the order of the first matrix, P rows and Q columns, and this is the order of the second matrix, R rows and S columns. So for the two matrices, in order to be eligible for matrix subtraction, the number of rows of the matrix A should be equal to the number of rows of matrix B, and the number of columns of matrix A should be equal to the number of columns of matrix B. Okay, so this is the basic condition which the matrices need to satisfy, and this is the same for matrix addition as well. Now, the subtraction of matrices, okay, subtraction of matrices, it is actually modified addition. Okay, it is a modification of the matrix addition process. We can write this operation as A plus minus 1 into B. In this way we can write this operation. Now, we have already discussed about the scalar multiple of a matrix. Okay, the scalar multiple of a matrix. I have already posted a video with respect to this concept. You can check that out, please. The multiplication of a matrix with a scalar or a constant quantity. So what happens in the scalar multiple of a matrix is that suppose we have a matrix of any order, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, we are just taking a 2 cross 2 matrix for example. Suppose we multiply it with a constant quantity, let's say we are multiplying it with 2, we are multiplying this matrix with 2, okay. So the resultant matrix will be, this 2 will be multiplied with each and every element of the matrix. So the result will be 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, and 2 into 4, 8. This is the concept of scalar multiple of a matrix. Now, for subtraction of matrix, what is done is that this matrix B, okay, this matrix B, it gets multiplied with minus 1, okay, to get minus B, this matrix, and once we get minus B, we perform this operation A plus minus B. Okay, so let us understand the concept of subtraction of matrices with the help of a example. Okay, let us say we have two matrices. A is equal to 3, 4, 7, 8. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix, and another matrix P is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6. It is also a 2 cross 2 matrix, and now we have to perform the subtraction process A minus B. We have to subtract matrix B from A. Okay, we have to perform this operation. So for this, first what we need to do is scalar multiple of a matrix. We have to multiply matrix B with minus 1. So that will give us minus 1, minus 2, minus 5 and minus 6. Okay, this will be the result of this scalar multiple of a matrix when we multiply matrix B with minus 1. Next, we have to determine the value of this, that is A minus B. So this is actually like this, A plus minus B. We can write it like this. So this A plus minus B is actually 3, 4, 7, 8, which is matrix A, plus minus B here, which is minus 1, minus 2, minus 5 and minus 6. So the result will be 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 7 minus 5, 8 minus 6. Okay, 8 minus 6. So this result is equal to, this is 2, this is also 2, this is 2, 7 minus 5 2, and 8 minus 6 is also 2. This is the result of the subtraction operation of the two matrices, and this is where the scalar multiple of a matrix with a constant quantity it comes into play. Okay, so now let us take 3 cross 3 matrices and we'll perform a subtraction operation on them. Let us say the matrices are 3, 4, 6, 2, 1, 5 and 2, 4, 7. Okay, this is one matrix, and let's say this is A, and another matrix B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4 and 0, 3, 2. Okay, so first this is B, we have to perform this operation A minus B, which is equal to A plus minus of B. So first we have to multiply this B with minus 1. So if we multiply B with minus 1, we will get this. This is 0, so it's like this. And now this operation, it becomes 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 1, so it's 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 5 minus 4, 2 minus 0, 4 minus 3, 7 minus 2. So, okay. So the subtraction operation, it takes place term by term, element by element, corresponding element they are subtracted. 3 is 3 minus 1, okay, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 5 minus 4, 2 minus 0, 4 minus 3, 7 minus 2. Okay, similar to matrix addition. Here the only difference is that here it is being subtracted. So this resultant matrix, it is 2 2 5 0 0 1, says 2 1 5. This is the result of the matrix subtraction process. Okay. So here how we perform matrix subtraction element by element, term by term on a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay.